Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Contemporary kitchen sink designs offer a world of inspiration for homeowners seeking to elevate their culinary spaces. These sinks are not only functional but also serve as focal point of modern kitchen aesthetics. With sleek lines and innovative materials, they seamlessly blend form and function, whether you prefer a farmhouse, a prawn sink for a rustic touch, or an undermount stainless steel sink from a minimalist look. The options are vast. Additionally, choosing a deep basin sink can simplify dishwashing, while a double wall sink adds versatility to your workspace. To enhance functionality, consider sink with built-in accessories like cutting boards and colanders. This merging of style and convenience make contemporary kitchen sinks as essential elements of any wall design. Kitchen explore these design ideas to bring a touch of modernity and efficiency to your room. Moreover, the incorporation of eco-friendly materials in contemporary sink ideas aligns with sustainability trends. You can find sinks crafted from recycled or renewable materials, reducing your environmental footprint. The color palette has also expanded beyond the traditional stainless steel, with options like matte black and matte white sinks, offering a sleek with sophisticated touch. Finally, the case of installation and maintenance in this contemporary sink ensures that they are not only visually stunning but also practical addition to your modern kitchen, giving you more reasons to consider a sink upgrade. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe and like Interior Design channel.